You see? Ooh, I can't wait to. Anyway.
Got it!
It again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maxie with another look, with another video. This video is a wig unboxing review. It will be two parts. This is the first part. If you guys would like to know more about this one as well, definitely comment down below. She is gorgeous. I've been also practicing basically how to lay my own wigs, and I think I'm doing a little bit better. So if you guys want to know or see how I do that myself, stay tuned for the part 2 of this video. But this video is about this wig, the highlighted wig that I know a lot of you guys are looking for. So if you're interested, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So I've been sitting here in quarantine ordering a bunch of wigs, and I wanted to add the highlighted wig to my collection. And obviously, you can do it yourself. You can just get any wig like this color and just put the blonde highlights in it. However, when it comes to me, I know how to color, but I'm not patient to wait for it to process, and I don't really know how long it takes to process. So it'll come out cute, but not how I wanted it to. So people be like, oh my god, I like your color. And I'm like, that's not really what I was going for, but it always comes out another way. So I wanted to get it done the right way and not having to worry about it. So I wanted to find an affordable. It is affordable because when you go to the hair store, they'll sell you something for $400 when you could order it for half of that price. This is under the $200 brackets. It is over $100, so it is in the mid hundreds if I'm trying to give you an overall picture, but it is under $200, so I think that's somewhat affordable. Obviously I will be featuring some synthetic wigs on here if you guys cannot afford the $250, $300, and that's okay because you don't have to break the bank to look good. All right, not only affordable but a good quality. So I wanted to make sure I do my research and stuff like that. And I know a lot of you guys are kind of scared of ordering off Aliexpress, but it's actually been all good experience for me. I've been doing this for 2 years with them, so I've never really had any bad experience with them. So the shipping this time took about 2 weeks, and I think it's because of quarantine, but it did come via FedEx, and the vendor, she does speak with you and she does talk to you, so communication wise she did keep that aspect to a 5 from a 5-star level. And as soon as I ordered my wig, I made sure I text a vendor. That's another thing I would recommend for you to do. If you're scared of ordering something, you want to make sure not only do they have a lot of reviews, but they have a lot of pictures from other clients. Sometimes you'll have some customers leave their YouTube, so that's also a plus because you could go look at the product before you buy it. But I messaged her and I was like, hey, I just made this order, and she confirmed it, and then from there on I knew it was okay. So now it did come in a FedEx box, not a FedEx box, FedEx package. And obviously I opened it already, but what it comes looking like is in a obvious wig box, and I think it kind of got scooched up. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in, and it's Rulinda hair, human hair, and it's R and L, but it is based off Aliexpress. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside of the box. Basically it's just the wig in the plastic bag. They do give you some stocking caps. I obviously already opened it. So they have the length and the density and the specs of the hair. So I did get a 20-inch, and they didn't have any more 14x6 closures, so I ended up getting a 13x4 closure. So they didn't have a 13x6, I got a 13x4. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out it's kind of like a Ziploc bag. And then they obviously have the mesh. And I'm gonna go ahead, and then this is probably to keep the wig, you know, in the head form. And let me go ahead and show you guys the color itself. So obviously it's not straightened out right now, so it looks a little bit, you know, kind of messy, but this is pretty much the color. And I do like the low lights and highlights, so as you can see, it's not like a black like this hair, it's more like a brown, and then they add like lighter lights and lighter yellows and lighter blondes, so it's gonna give you that highlight effect. As you can see, this is the lace part. So because it is a 13 by 4, you know, it's not gonna be a lot of parting space in there. It's not gonna be a lot of parting space. Obviously I'm probably gonna mostly wear it in the middle part, so I will have at least that much. But I will say for a 13 by 4, the parting is pretty deep. I'll show you guys how deep you get. Now this is not a transparent lace. It isn't. It kind of has like a beige tint to it, so I'll most likely have to bleach the knots. And it doesn't really have a lot of baby hairs as well. I'll show you guys. It's actually a pretty thick lace, so it will be needing a lot of plucking. But if I pull it like this, you can see the highlights. And like I say, if you guys want to see how I install it, definitely stay tuned for the part 2 of this video. As for the length of the hair, it is true to length because this hair is a 28 inch, and I'll try to go ahead and move back a little bit. So this hair is 28 inch, and this is 20 inch, and this is hopefully flat enough. We'll see. Oh, look. So you guys kind of see the color, but as far as the length, it's pretty long. As you can see where it stopped. How you doing? Hi. See. As for the combs, it does have obviously the comb in the back, and then it does have some elastic, the regular elastic, you know, strap that most wigs come with. Like I said, it is very much true to length, and I just want to make sure that when I pluck it, I don't over pluck it, because I know that this is a very, very thick frontal. It's not a full lace. It is a lace front, which means that there are tracks in the back, or in the front it's going to be the frontal, and in the back is going to be the back. So this wig here is a full lace. I don't like all my wigs to be full laces, because I feel like you have to take care of them in more sensitive manner, because the whole wig is lace and it's not any tracks in there. So that's why I try to order some lace fronts as well, so I could have like a variety of both. But I do find that the full lace lay a little bit flatter. Pretty much would I order this wig again? Yes. As far as now, it is very soft. It's Brazilian, and it's very soft. The texture as far as that, and I know once I flat iron it, it's gonna look great. So I can't wait to go ahead and install the video for you guys. And let me know what you guys think. And if you guys like this makeup look, thumbs up. I will definitely be doing one makeup look a month, because I know not a lot of people are into makeup as much, but I feel like some people still want to learn some basics, and this face itself did not take that long. So I'll also be doing these videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and definitely comment down below, and stay tuned for the part 2 of me installing this hair. Let me see. It's gonna be like, she like, ooh. So y'all see it kind of like, you see? Ooh, I can't wait till she get on. Boy, I should have wore it with this hair. Like, what did you guys think? This is transparent. I don't know. I think it's more. It has a little tint to it. It definitely has a little tint to it. So I'm not sure. But like I was saying, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and definitely comment down below in this video. Follow me on all social media platforms. And once again, subscribe. See you on my next video. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this install. Bye. Bye.